Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is fill in the blanks and we have to do the division. 966,291 divided by 83. To do this, let us do a long division. 966,291 divided by 83. Now, as 8 is here and 9, so we can check, because 83 and 96 there will be, means we can take 1. So 96, 83 ones are 83. 96 minus 83 is 13. Move this 6 down, as 13 is there and 8, so we can check 1. 83 ones are 83. 6 minus 3 is 3 and 13 minus 8 is 5. Move this 2 down. 53 is there, and before 53 there is a 48 in 8 table, which is 6 times, so we can check 6. 6 3s are 18. 1 carry forward. 8 6 are 48 plus 1 is 49. So we can take 83 6 are 498. 12 minus 8 is 4. We borrowed from here, so 12 minus 9 is 3. So it is 34. Now move this 9 down. 34 is here and 8 is here. So before 34 there is a 32 in 8 table, which is 4 times, so we can check 4. 4 4s are 16. 1 carry forward. 8 4s are 32 plus 1 is 33. So here we can take 4s are, which is 336. Now 9 minus 6 is 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. Now move this 1 down. Here, sorry, 83 into 4. 3 4s are 12. 1 carry forward. 8 4s are 32 plus 1 is 33. So here it is 332. Now 349 minus 332 is 7. 4 minus 3 is 1. Move this 1 down. 171 is there. Before 17 there is a 16 in 8 table, which is 2 times. So 83 into 2 is 3 2s are 6. 8 2s are 16. 166. So we can take here 2. 171 minus 166 is 5. Hence 966,291 divided by 83 is 11,642. Remainder 5.